It was the coldest night of December, the kind that made the city feel like it had forgotten warmth altogether. Snow fell quietly, covering the streets in a deceptive blanket of peace, while beneath it, stories of struggle remained hidden. Daniel, a single father, walked through the dim alley with tired eyes and a heavy heart. Ever since his wife passed away, life had become a constant battle between providing for his young son and holding himself together. That night, he had stayed late at work, hoping overtime would ease the pressure, but nothing ever truly did. As he passed by a row of trash bins, something unusual caught his attention. A small figure lay motionless beside one of them. His steps slowed, then stopped completely. His heart tightened as he moved closer. There, curled up on the icy ground, was a little girl, no older than 7, wearing a thin, worn-out coat that offered no protection against the freezing cold. Her face was pale, her lips slightly blue, and her tiny hands clutched her coat as if trying to hold onto the last bit of warmth she had. For a moment, Daniel froze, not from the cold, but from the shock. Then instinct took over. He quickly removed his coat and gently wrapped it around her fragile body. "Hey, can you hear me?" he whispered, kneeling beside her. Her eyes fluttered open, weak and frightened. I'm okay," she murmured, though her voice betrayed her condition. Daniel knew she wasn't. Without hesitation, he picked her up, cradling her carefully as if she were his own child. As he carried her through the snow, he felt something shift inside him, something he hadn't felt in a long time, purpose beyond survival. When they reached his modest home, his son, Adam, looked up in surprise. "Dad, who is she?" he asked. Daniel smiled faintly. "Someone who needs us," he replied. They quickly made a warm bed for the girl near the heater, wrapping her in blankets and giving her hot soup. Slowly, color returned to her face. Her name was Lily, and she had no one left. Her parents had passed away, and she had been surviving on the streets ever since. As she spoke, her voice trembled, but her eyes held a quiet strength that left both Daniel and Adam speechless. That night, something extraordinary happened, not a miracle of lights or gifts, but a miracle of kindness. Over the next few days, Lily became part of their small, broken family. Adam shared his toys, Daniel shared his time, and for the first time in a long while, laughter returned to their home. Christmas morning arrived with a soft glow of sunlight reflecting off the snow. There were no expensive presents under the tree, just a few simple gifts wrapped with care. But the real gift was something none of them expected. As they sat together, Lily looked at Daniel with teary eyes and said, "I've never had a real Christmas before." Daniel paused, emotion catching in his throat. "Neither have we," he admitted softly. "But I think this is what it's supposed to feel like." In that moment, Daniel realized that saving Lily hadn't just changed her life, it had saved him too. The emptiness he had been carrying slowly filled with something warmer, something stronger. Love. Not the kind that replaces loss, but the kind that grows around it. And as snow continued to fall outside, their home felt warmer than ever before. Sometimes, miracles don't come with grand signs or loud celebrations. Sometimes, they begin quietly, in a cold alley, beside a trash can, when one person decides to care. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with others, because you never know whose life might change with a single act of kindness.